Now we will learn how to measure an angle using a protractor. This thing is called a protractor and this is used to measure angles. Here I drew two angles, one is an acute angle and the other is an obtuse angle. First of all, we will measure the acute angle. We will place our protractor like this. This point will sit at the point where two straight lines intersects. One of the lines will be aligned with 0 and we will start counting from this 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, and this is not 60 degree, this is 1 degree below 60 degree. So this angle is 59 degree, 1 degree before 60 degree. So we will write this angle to be 59 degree. Now let's read the second angle. We will align this line with this 0. 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. After 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this angle is 115 degree. While calculating this angle, a question may arise in your mind. What's that question? You can see here that if I follow these marks, this angle will be noted as 65 degree. But if we follow these marks, then it will be 115 degree. So which mark should I follow? I will follow that mark which started from 0. Here you can see that aligned with this line, I can see two readings, 0 and 180. Which one should I count? I will count from this line 0. So from counting this 0, I can see that this is 115 degree.